Hi, join our free demo session class with Grras about full stack development. There is a huge demand for the full stack developers in the today market. According to BLS, a full stack developer is expecting a growth of 27% by this year. And on Glassdoor, it stated that an average salary of full stack developer is around 7 lakhs and an experienced developer can earn more than 19 lakhs per year. By the end of 2026, there will be 18.7 million developers as predicted by LinkedIn, and according to Stack Overflow survey, almost 1 out of 2 developers are full stack developers. There are tons of opportunity, great pay, and excellent career growth in the field of full stack development. That is why many college students, whether they are from technical or a non-technical background, are choosing to become full stack developers. Even professionals from different fields are making this switch. But what exactly is full stack development? Who is a full stack developer? And how can you become one? If you have these questions, don't worry. Let Grras answer it for you. Join our free demo session and discover the exciting world of full stack development with us. Register today.